Hello my beautiful people, how are you? In today's video I'm going to do a first impressions on the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24 hours, no, 32 hours Fresh Wear foundation. I know I'm late to the game, but I just got my hands on it, so I'm going to try it for the first time today with you guys. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Vera and I post a lot of makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, there's a bug, hair tutorials, I said that, nail tutorials, you know, clothing haul, jewelry haul, all that good stuff. So if you guys like what you see, please hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel. And let's just jump into this video. You guys, I've been waiting to remove my fake tan so I can use this foundation because I bought only one shade. This is in the shade 130 True Beige. So I'm going to try this one today. I also applied my trusty primer and now I'm going to read a little bit about this. So this is the Fresh Wear. I did try the original one many years ago. It didn't look good on me because I have dry skin and that's for normal to oily skin if I'm not wrong, so it didn't look good on me. It looked way too powdery, way too dry, and I did not like it back then. Also, my skincare wasn't really, I didn't had a skincare. I was just applying a face cream and call it a day. But yeah, I remember that foundation being so dry, so cakey like, and so, I don't know, crusty looking on my skin. I never liked that foundation, but now this one claims to be suitable for all skin types. Introducing our breakthrough long wear foundation, up to 24-hour wear. Why does it say 32 here? Fresh Wear foundation provides medium to full buildable coverage. We love that. That lasts all day and allows the skin to breathe. The formulas: tree oil, absorbers, resistant sweat, water, and transfer. The ultra thin liquid goes on smoothly to give a fresh, healthy looking complexion that lasts. Color stays true and blends in evenly so your makeup looks fresh all day. Non-comedogenic and formulated with SPF. Oh yeah, it says SPF 25 plus vitamin C. I'm going to shake this a little bit, and you guys, not me spending 1 hour in the shower removing my fake tan. I hate removing my tan. What? I hate removing my fake tan. Oh my goodness. I use the Bondi Sands fake tan. I don't know why am I doing this to myself. I hate that fake tan. Why do I keep using it? It's so hard to remove and it looks so bad. And I did use the tan eraser thing. I'm not gonna use that fake tanner ever again in my life. My main concern about my skin is to get an even skin tone. As you can see, I have redness, I have dark spots, also I have wrinkles, I have dry to normal skin. As I always mention in my videos, I do not like to use brushes to apply foundation. I don't know what it is. I don't know, I just don't like the feeling, so I love a sponge. And also, what I've learned from my first impression videos, especially on foundations, is that maybe in the video it doesn't work for me, but then when I go and give it another chance, I use different products and maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. So yeah, let's just apply this on my face because I feel like I'm talking way too much and you guys want to see this in action, right? So I'm going to go with 2 pumps in my palm. I don't want to get this on my nail. Maybe 3. This is so light. I don't think I got my shade, you guys. This is way too light. My goodness. So it looks like that. It's pretty watery, as we can see. It smells like alcohol. This is way too light for me. This looked good to me. You see, this is the problem when you go and buy online, because this can happen, okay? But I hope I will make it work. Anyway, let's just focus on this, okay? Maybe it is my shade. Let me just zoom you in a little bit closer. I hope I don't get foundation on my camera. Alrighty, that's even better, right? So this is how it looks. I think the shade matches my neck, but my face is kinda red. Yeah, this definitely dries out, so you need to move fast. Oh my goodness. You know what this reminds me of? Of the new improved Maybelline 30-hour, whatever that foundation is called, Superstay foundation. The newest formula. Yeah, definitely it reminds me of that foundation, which is not a good sign. Spoiler alert. Because I didn't like that foundation. I still have it. I don't know what to do with it. I only used that like twice or 3 times maybe. But it doesn't work for me, okay? So this one kind of reminds me of that foundation. It looks kind of powdery on top of my skin, and it kind of sits on top of my skin. Also, it's like already enhancing my smile lines. I mean, that's pretty normal for me, but some foundation takes a while to do that. But this one is like, boom, straight into my fine lines, wrinkles. Okay, so what do we think about this coverage? I feel like this is a pretty good medium coverage. So I'm going to try to build it a little bit more. I don't want to hear in the comments, oh, you applied way too much, that's why it looks cakey, whatever. It says buildable, okay? I'm going to build the foundation so I can get more coverage. Okay, I don't want to hear you. It definitely feels lightweight. I mean, it feels like nothing on my skin. I can smell the alcohol, not gonna lie, and I feel like the shade does matches my neck. I don't know why my face is red. Maybe because I'm hot? I mean, I know I'm hot. I'm joking, you guys. I said it's getting hot in here, okay? I mean, I know I'm hot. I know I'm hot, okay? So, yeah, definitely buildable. But I don't like how this sits on my skin. So definitely I'm going to give it another, like, yeah, this could be the review for me. I just don't like how this sits on my skin. Also, it enhances my fine lines and wrinkles like immediately. Like once I blended this out, it goes and it sits into those lines, and that's pretty annoying to me. So I already have my opinion on this foundation. I'm so sorry, but this doesn't work for me. Like, yeah, definitely looks like it has this powdery finish, and it sits on top of my skin. So please let me know if you guys see what I'm trying to explain here, but this foundation just sits on top of my skin. Like, it looks pretty weird right in this area. Also on my forehead, doesn't look good at all. Like, you see those lines? It's like just getting in those lines. You guys see what I'm trying to explain here? Like, yeah, of course, all of my foundations, they do gather into those lines, but not this fast. I just finished applying this on my skin. Like, this is not the vibe. You know what I mean? And do you see? Like, it sits on top of my skin. Let me get closer. You guys see that? It looks kind of dry right? It has this powdery finish. It just doesn't look good. Doesn't look good to me. My lips are so dry. Ignore that. So I'm going to wear this foundation through the day. Right now it's just 5 p.m. almost, because I'm not a morning person, okay? I truly hope this will get better through the day. So yeah, I will let you guys know if it does that at the end of the day. So bye. You guys, I've been wearing this wig for like 5 hours now. My head hurts. Right now is 10 p.m. I've been wearing this foundation since, honestly I don't know, I know that I did show you guys. I haven't set my face with powder, only my under eyes. They look bad, but I applied this foundation. I'm so sorry. I applied this foundation all over my face, so I'm assuming that's why my under eyes look this creased. Because, I mean, yeah, I do get creases under my eyes, but they are not as intense. Hear me out. Hear me out. I'm going to give it another chance. I'm going to use a blurring primer maybe. Definitely not a hydration. What? Definitely not a moisturizer. I can't talk. It's late. I need to remove this makeup and lay in the bed because my back hurts. So I definitely don't need to use a moisturizing, that's the word, primer. I need something blurry, something... Anyway, you guys, I don't like it. And I'm so sad that I don't like it because this was promising, okay? It was promising. It doesn't look good. I did apply as I said, I applied this creamy blush. It looks so beautiful, so dewy on my cheeks, but that's it. That's all I like. That's all I like about my face makeup today. My cheeks, because they are so glowy, so dewy, and the foundation doesn't look bad in this area. It doesn't look bad where I applied this creamy blush. Anyway, let me just come closer so you can see. Is this so bright? Now you can see it. No. Look at my stash. You see that? Look at my nose. I think I touched my nose with my nail. I hope you guys see what I'm trying to explain here. Like, look at my forehead. It looked bad at first, but now it looks like 10 times worse. And I know that I applied 2 layers, but as I said, I wanted the coverage, okay? Coverage is absolutely beautiful, don't get me wrong. I love the coverage. And I love how this feels on the skin. Like, I mean, not right now. I kind of feel like I have a lot of makeup on right now. But when I first applied this foundation and the first few hours, it felt like nothing. Even though I did build this up, it felt like I'm spitting. Lord have mercy. It still felt like nothing on my skin, and that's so nice because usually full coverage foundations, they tend to feel heavy on the skin. Alright you guys, so that was it for today. Please let me know down below if you guys try this foundation, if you have similar complexion to mine and this works for you. Let me know. I'm curious. I want to know. Please let me know down below. Okay, so I will have to try this again with different primer maybe or skincare. So yeah, I would definitely give it another try. But today it wasn't the best day, the best makeup day for me, or face makeup day, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Follow me on TikTok because I'm about to film some TikToks. Let's have some fun. Let's try Gigi.